When you take 1,600 pounds of steel, add a high-flow motor, you get a massive land-clearing machine. Meet the heavy-duty brush mower by Erskine. Underneath, there are 3 reversible blades with a tip speed of up to 20,000 feet per minute. Not all mowers are created equal. This one has a reinforced and optimized front deck made of a 1/4-inch thick steel. When cleaning up the edge of fields, the blades are designed to lift and mulch. The oversized gearbox and 180-pound stump jumper rotor was designed to store more rotational energy for a better, faster cut, making easy work out of thick brush and trees. And for those taller trees, you'll appreciate the open deck design. This brush mower has no shear pins, meaning no downtime and no problems. Breaking a new path that once looked like this turns into the ultimate recreational trail, with warranty and service long after the sale. Call one of our dealers today. You'll be glad you did.